Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be watching unboxing of portable Wi-Fi mouse and keyboard device. So let's do it. This box is from Amazon and today we'll be unboxing this box.
So this is the package that I have received from Amazon and we'll open it. The package is quite well built. So this is the mini keyboard, the trackpad cum keyboard. The box is quite lightweight. You can see diagrams. We'll open it. It contains the Nokia BL5C type battery, so it's quite easily available. We have a USB cable here to charge your wireless keyboard mouse. I mean the lithium-ion battery. We have a user manual here, and this is the device. So we'll place the battery, we'll remove the cover from backside, and you can see there is a dongle. This Wi-Fi dongle needs to be attached to your laptop or Raspberry Pi device or any other device wherein you need to connect your wireless device now. So we'll now insert this Nokia BL5C type battery here. Okay, there are other two spaces with 3 A-sized batteries can be used. So now this is the device. You can see this quite sleek and very well placed. The buttons are handy. On top left you have the charging port. Here you can charge, and this is the on off button on the top right. So once you enter the USB dongle in your laptop or computer, you can switch it on and off. I'll now switch on my laptop and this device. So this is my computer. You see the device has been installed. Now I can move it quite properly. My hands, start menu is working fine. So now I need to test it. So let's test it using a notepad, and we'll see. Let me write something. Jayyesh, that's my name. It's very well. The keyboard is quite handy. You can see. I'll try to show you. Yeah, this is the button. You see when I hover the mouse, this is the trackpad, you have the LED buttons, and when I'll write something, this button is also glowing. So I'll basically write again. Okay, so like space. You see the lights blinking quite well. I'll press enter and I'll write Yahoo, enter. So now let's see. Voila! You see the typing is quite smooth, it's natural, great. You see volume up and down buttons, from media center keys as well for play, next, forward, if in case you want to listen to songs. So this is up the review. You see the buttons are quite well placed, it's handy. The left click, right click is there, the volume up and button are there. The trackpad has 3 different signs, 2 fingers for scroll, 3 fingers for right click, 1 finger for stuff, and left click and right click as well, space as well. So in all, this is a very nice stuff, and guys, I recommend this product to you. The Amazon affiliate link to buy this product is mentioned in the description below. I definitely recommend this product. It's very handy and it's great.